largest population, nuclear army K2 world's second highest peak is their industry flows through capital Islamabad. Official languages Urdu and English. Major textile exporter entered the first PC versions make over 50% of world's scoreballs national animal market. Palestine, Old Land, East Bank and Gaza. Ramallah is a main city. People speak Arabic, important for three religions. Has many olive trees. Famous holy sites. Baitullah is there. Wants to be a country. Has long history of conflict. Turkey, big bridge between Asia and Europe. Capital of city is Ankara. Istanbul is its largest city. People speak Turkish. Most people are Muslim. Known for delicious kebabs. Has ancient ruins. Famous for beautiful Cornlands grow lots of hazelnuts, popular for hot air balloon consumption. Saudi Arabia, big desert country, has lots of oil. Capital city is Riyadh. People speak Arabic. Islam's holiest place there are Mecca and Medina. Has a king hot weather, known for dates, the fruit called Saudi Arab modernization quickly. Qatar, small country rich from natural gas. Capital city is Doha. People speak Arabic. Most people are Muslim. Has a ruling family emperor. Very hot weather. Hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Has a modern skyline. Known for its airline Qatar Airways. China, very big country. Most people in the world live there. Capital city is Beijing. People speak Mandarin Chinese. Has the Great Wall. Know the know for giant pandas. Invented paper and gunpowder. Makes many things for the world. Has many big cities. A very old citizenship. Japan, island country known for its unique culture. Capital city is Tokyo. People speak Japanese. Famous for sushi. Has Mount Fuji. Known for cherry blossom. Invented car. Aki builds fast train, bullet train, many robots. India, very big country, second most people in the world. Capital city in New Delhi. People speak many languages, Hindi and English. Famous for the Taj Mahal, known for delicious curries. Great birthplace of yoga, has many different religions. Cricket is very popular, has big Bollywood film industry. America America, very large country, has 50 states. Capital city is Washington D.C. People mostly speak English. Known for Hollywood movies, but birthplace of jazz music, has diverse landscape. Invented blue jeans. Known for fast food. Many famous national parks. Israel, small country on Mediterranean Sea, capital city is Jerusalem. People speak Hebrew and Arabic. Holy Land for Jews, Christians, and Muslims, has a Dead Sea. Known for the technique tech industry, many ancient sites. Faisal is a popular food, has a desert area.